Hi friends, so in this video, I'll show you how you can bring your stuff into Edvo and start creating your first contextual spaces. After you download the Edvo extension, your screen will look something like this. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of all your open tabs. And on the right-hand side, you'll see this spatial default My Universe space. What I recommend you do first is just start dragging a few tabs over and see how they appear. They will automatically take the name of the tab itself, so you don't have to do anything. I'll drag a few more. Now notice I've got a few tabs here related to these user interviews. I've got a tab here related to my newsletter. So I want to start organizing them. On the right-hand side, you'll see this radial nav bar. I'm going to go ahead and click on this thing called a portal. And I'm just going to place it here. And then I'm going to hit Shift, drag, and I'm going to drag these two things into this portal and just quickly name it User Interviews. There's these two interviews that I haven't brought in yet. I'm going to drag that one here. I'm going to drag that one here as well. So I've got these four wonderfully saved. This gives me the confidence that I can just close out those four tabs because now they're in Edvo. I'm going to create another portal, and this time I'm going to move my newsletter in there. Name this one Newsletter Operations. Do another portal. Move these two Crunchbase profiles in there and say follow up on relationships. Create one more portal and move my Intuit in there and label this. So now in my universe, I've got these four spaces and I can jump to each of these. So now I'm in my user interview space. I can create stickies to synthesize. I can move things around. I can drag images in here. If I want to drag full file, I can drag those in here. And when I'm ready to jump contexts, I can search. So maybe I'll search for relationships, and the follow-up on relationships just drop down. I'll click there. The things that I had last brought in show up. I can also go back to my universe and notice that contextual space that I added a bunch of things is here. So you can create as many spaces as you want and bring in whatever you want into those spaces, and then have the confidence that anytime you need all that context, you just jump into that space and everything will be available for you to just pick up where you left off.